Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Lawade. Today is 1st of June 2022 and the topic for the today's video is difference between set, list and map in Java. So this is my first or original video in this topic. But in earlier video we will already see individually the set, what is set, list and map in Java, their constructor, their methods and the description about the declaration parameter we will already see in the individual video earlier. Now we will see the combined difference between the three. So the set, list and map are nothing but the three important interfaces of the Java collection framework. The list in Java provides the order and index collection which may contain duplicates. The set interface provides an unordered collection of unique objects, that is we can say that set doesn't allow duplicates element, while map provides a data structure based on the key value pair and hashing. This is already we have discussed. So also we already discussed that the list interface in Java is the sub interface of the Java collection interface, which contains the index based method to insert, update, delete and search the element. It can have the duplicate element also. We can also store the null element in the list. The list preserves and the insertion order, which allows the positional access and insertion of element, and it is found in the java.util package. Now the next is the set. That is the set follows the unordered way, and it is found in the java.util package, which extends the collection interface in Java. Then duplicate atom will be ignored in set and it will not print in the final output. Now the next we will see the map interface. So the Java map interface, which is found in the java.util map, it represents a mapping between a key and a value. More specifically, Java map can store pairs of key and values. Each key is linked to a specific value. Once stored in a map, we can later look up the values using just the key. Now we will see the difference between the set, list and map in Java. So the first difference is that the list interface allows the duplicate element, whereas set and map does not allow the duplicate elements. Then the next difference, the list maintains the insertion order, whereas set do not maintain any insertion order and map also does not maintain any insertion order. Then we can add any number of null values in the list, but in set almost only one value we can add, and in the map we can map allows a single null key at most and any number of null values. Then the next difference is that list implementation classes are array list, linked list. Then set implementation classes are hash set, link hash set, tree set, and map implementation classes are hash map, link hash map, tree map, concurrent hash map, etc. Now the list provides the get method to get the element at a specified index, whereas set does not provide the get method to get the element at a specified index, and also the map does not provide the get method to get the element at a specified index. So in list, if we need to access the element frequently by using the index, then we can use the list. Then set, if in set we can say that if we want to create a collection of the unique element, then we can use the set, and if we want to store the data in the form of key value pair, then we can use the map. Then the next difference is that to traverse the list element by using the list iterator, then iterator can be used traverse by the set element, and through key set value and entry set we can use the map. So this is all about the difference between the list, set and map in Java. Thank you.